Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore all things beauty, and today I have a hair tool that's ready to travel with you, no matter where your adventures take you. Introducing the Conair Travel Smart 1200-watt Tourmaline Ceramic Hair Dryer, a compact powerhouse designed to keep your hair looking flawless on the go. With its folding handle and worldwide voltage compatibility, this is your next travel essential. Let's talk about what makes this travel hair dryer unique. First off, we're looking at a 1200-watt motor, which provides plenty of drying power while keeping the size small enough to fit in your carry-on without a second thought. But it's not just about size, it's about performance. The ceramic technology in this dryer is a game changer. Ceramic heat is known for its ability to distribute heat evenly, reducing damage, and the added tourmaline technology helps produce natural ions that combat frizz and enhance shine. If you've ever struggled with frizzy hair after a trip, this dryer aims to keep that to a minimum. This dryer comes with 2 heat speed settings, so you can adjust depending on your hair's needs, whether you want a gentle dry or a faster styling session. Plus, it meets TSA and FAA requirements, making it ideal for air travel. Whether you're hopping on a plane for a business trip or a much-needed vacation, it'll easily fit in your luggage and be ready when you need it most. I love that it has a folding, non-slip handle. That little touch makes it easy to store and stash in tight spaces. During my real-world testing, I used this dryer during a few trips, including one to a more humid climate. The 1200 watts of power were surprisingly effective, especially considering how compact this dryer is. I found that it dried my hair fairly quickly, even though my thick hair usually needs a bit more time. The ceramic technology definitely helped keep my hair looking smooth and shiny, not frizzy, which is always a plus when you're dealing with humidity. One of the standout features, however, is its portability. With the folding handle and the fact that it meets TSA regulations, this is a game changer for travelers. I didn't need to worry about extra space in my luggage, and it fit right in without taking up much room. The only downside is that it's a bit on the lower wattage side. If you have super thick or long hair, you may need to spend a little extra time drying. But for most people, the 1200 watts should be more than adequate. Now, let's look at some of the pros and cons. On the plus side, it's small, lightweight, and easy to pack, which makes it ideal for travel. The ceramic technology helps with frizz and adds shine, and I love the folding handle for convenience. On the downside, because of its lower wattage, it's not as fast as full-size dryers. And if you have thick, curly, or longer hair, you may need to be more patient with the drying time. When it comes to value for money, I think this is a solid investment if you travel frequently or want a compact dryer that still delivers great results. It's not the most powerful dryer on the market, but it balances portability with performance. And considering it comes with a 2-year warranty, you've got some peace of mind with this purchase. If you're looking for something a little more powerful or a dryer with more features, there are other options out there, like larger, higher wattage travel dryers, but they might not be as compact or TSA friendly. For its price, though, this dryer is one of the best in terms of convenience and performance for its size. In terms of build quality, the materials used here feel solid. The non-slip grip handle is a thoughtful feature, ensuring you don't have to worry about slipping it from your hands in a hotel bathroom. The overall construction is sturdy, and while the dryer itself is compact, it doesn't feel flimsy or cheap. Wrapping up, I'd say this Conair Travel Smart 1200-watt Tourmaline Ceramic Hair Dryer is a great option for anyone looking for a compact, travel-friendly dryer that still gets the job done. It's ideal for frequent travelers who need something that fits easily into their luggage without sacrificing too much performance. It might not be the fastest dryer on the market, but it's a solid choice for its size and price. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.